In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up forms with Shogun, Klaviyo, and Shopify in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline communication with your audience or simply gather emails more efficiently, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and precision. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in Shopify in the search bar. Once you're there, you simply need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you're good to go, let's log right in. With Shopify opened, the next crucial step is to make sure that Klaviyo is integrated with your Shopify account. If you haven't already done this, take a moment to complete the integration. This will ensure that all your data syncs properly, allowing you to efficiently manage your subscribers. Once you have Klaviyo integrated with Shopify, navigate over to your Shogun page builder. Shogun makes it incredibly easy to design custom pages while maintaining full control over aesthetics and function. You'll want to add a new form box element to your page. Think of this form box as a blank canvas, customizable to fit your brand's needs while capturing necessary information from your visitors. With the form box element on your page, you'll want to access the form settings. Here, you will look for a toggle labeled Send Submissions. Find this toggle and be sure to switch it to Klaviyo. Doing this ensures that any data captured through your form, such as email addresses, is automatically sent to your Klaviyo lists. This integration should make email campaign management far more seamless. Next, you'll need to specify where exactly those email addresses should go within Klaviyo. From the Settings menu, select the specific Klaviyo list that you would like your new email subscribers to be added to. This step is essential for organizing your subscribers and targeting them with the most appropriate content or incentives. To ensure that the form captures email addresses correctly, the next step is critical. Go ahead and add a form text input. You'll want to make certain that the input type is set to email. This setting ensures that only valid email addresses can be submitted, which will save you from the task of sorting through incorrect or dummy data later on. After all these configurations are in place, you're all set to hit the Publish button. Once published, your Shogun page will be live with the integrated form, ready to start gathering valuable subscriber information. And there you have it, a straightforward process to set up forms with Shogun, Klaviyo, and Shopify. This setup will be an invaluable tool for capturing email addresses and boosting your marketing campaigns. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it brings you closer to achieving your business goals. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.